Let's multiply a complex number. All right, so I wrote this out, and first of all, make sure that your 1 and your I look different, make them distinctive. This -2 is on the right-hand side, but I am just going to go ahead and distribute it from the right-hand side. That's okay. In mathematics, we can work from left to right, or right to left. It doesn't matter, as long as we follow the orders of operation and logic. All right, let's see what this would be. -2 times -1. Keep the signs, right? -2 times -1 is a +2, so I write it down. Then I distribute again and keep those signs. I have -2, but I'm multiplying it with a -1, so that would be a positive. I said it wrong, didn't I? -2 times a -I. Okay, -2 times a -I is a positive 2I. And there we have it. There's nothing else to combine. These are unlike. We have the real part, the complex part, and it's in the correct form of having the number, the real number by itself, and then the imaginary number next. So this is our answer for that one. Let's look at a more challenging one. 2 complex numbers multiplying together. -7 plus 5I times a -7 minus 5I. You're going to distribute very carefully, so you're going to multiply 4 times. -7 times -7 is +49. -7 times -5I is +35I. Then I come over here to this term, and I'm going to repeat that process. 5I times -7, -35I. And then finally, the last one, +5I times -5I. That's a -25I squared. Now, this is our answer, but it can be simplified. The two middle terms, since they're both i's, they can combine. Now, we have a positive and a negative. They add up to 0. So this is going to be gone. Something interesting is going to happen down here as well. I squared, we know from earlier work that that is -1. So we can replace that with a -1. And what does that do to the -25? It changes it to a +25. So what we actually have is a 49 plus 25. So our final answer is adding those together, and you'll get your final answer. What is that? 74. There you go.